Have you ever finished a Brazilian wax and noticed redness or bumps? Even after applying oils or creams, your skin can still feel sensitive. Most post-wax products never reach the areas that actually need healing. Nano-Healing Smart Serums could help your skin recover faster and smoother. After waxing, your skin barrier temporarily opens. Tiny microchannels form where hair was removed. Inflammation starts beneath the surface, even if you can't see it. Most oils and creams sit on top and don't reach stressed tissue. That's why redness, bumps, and irritation appear hours or even days later. Nano-Healing serums use lipid-based nanoparticles. They are small enough to slip between skin cells. This delivers active ingredients exactly where the skin is stressed. Some formulas respond to pH changes, activating only when inflammation is present. Healing happens at the cellular level, faster and more efficient. Here's what most people don't realize about post-wax recovery. Smart serums contain signaling peptides. These peptides mimic the skin's natural repair system. Normally, post-wax irritation can last 2 to 3 days. Peptides improve cell communication, helping tissue regenerate faster. Instead of just reducing redness, your skin rebuilds itself from the inside out. Waxing temporarily disrupts your skin's microbiome. Nano serums can deliver prebiotics and postbiotics to restore balance. Balanced skin is smoother, healthier, and less prone to bumps or ingrown hairs. This is why precision aftercare can prevent strawberry skin. The future of Brazilian wax aftercare is personalized and science-backed. AI could soon create custom nano serums for hydration, repair, and barrier support. Recovery could become faster, safer, and more predictable for everyone. Nano-Healing is transforming Brazilian wax aftercare from soothing to precision repair. This tiny innovation could completely change your waxing routine. Next time you apply an aftercare product, ask, is it just sitting on your skin, or helping it heal? Subscribe for more science-backed skincare insights and evidence-based breakthroughs. Smart skincare isn't hype, it's understanding what happens beneath the surface.